So far we have installed all the things that we need, so we can go the coding right away. So now what I'm gonna do is creating a folder named complete block. So this complete block is our project folder that we will have two things inside. First is front end of our application, and second is our backend. So now in the front end we will have React and Redux stuff, and in backend we will have Node.js Express application. So what I'm going to is launching CMD in this folder, typing CMD here, we'll launch CMD. You can use other terminals in Mac. You can use Mac terminal. In Linux you can use Linux terminal. Even in Windows you can use Git bash. You can download Git bash from the internet. So here you need to have Node.js to be installed. What I'm gonna do is write npx, which npm is given to us. Npx create React app. App name is frontend that we have folder name here. I'm gonna hit enter and wait for the application to be initialized. So I will pause the video. Once the installation will finish, I will continue. Yeah, application installed. So we're gonna go to front end first. As you can see, it has folders and files inside. So from here, I'm gonna cd to that folder, front end, and say code dot, which will open Visual Code Studio in that folder. We will have front end folder inside. So we have public and source folders that we'll be using. In the source folder, we have app.js, which is initialized app initialization file. What I'm gonna do is npm start in that folder, which will start up a server for us in a moment. And we have successfully installed React. We create React app component. So in the next video, we're gonna create components and our application structure.